Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we're making mushroom risotto in our pressure cooker. Now, I love risotto. The first time I had it, I just fell in love because it's so creamy and it's so delicious. However, it takes a lot of stirring on the stove. But thanks to my pressure cooker, I just throw it in there, I cook it, and we love it. So to make this recipe, I am going to use a special kind of rice. It's arborio rice. I'm also going to use some baby portobello mushrooms, some onions, some chicken broth, some Parmesan, some garlic, some lemon juice, and some parsley. And that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to start by sauteing our vegetables. And we're going to saute our vegetables in butter. We're going to go ahead and make it melt on our saute function in our pressure cooker. Just make sure it doesn't burn. We'll add our onions, our minced garlic, as well as those mushrooms. And we're going to stir and let it cook down just a little bit. You don't have to consistently stir it. Just stir it and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until it gets about this. As you can see, the vegetables have softened, and we've got a little bit of liquid. Then we're going to add our rice, and we are going to stir until our rice is coated. And then we're going to add our chicken broth and stir to make sure there are no things stuck to the bottom. And I like to add a little bit of salt, but just, that's going to depend on what kind of chicken broth you use. All right, so I've pressure cooked it. That was fast. And then I open it, and as you can see, it's done. And you'll take a picture because that's what we do. That is some Parmesan cheese I'm adding. I'm adding a squeeze of lemon. I don't want any of the seeds to fall in, so you could either squeeze it somewhere else or just make sure you put your hand there to catch the seeds. And then you stir it all up. And as you can see, it's nice and creamy. Here's a close-up shot just for you. And then you're going to plate it. Look how creamy that is. So beautiful. So yummy. And then I top it with a little bit of parsley. Fresh parsley, that is. And there you have it. Delicious, creamy pressure cooker mushroom risotto with no consistent stirring. It's easy, it's quick, and it's delicious. Until the next time, bye.